Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. I'm back with another tutorial video on how you can easily download Coinbase wallet application on your iPhone. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Go and tap open your app store in order to begin. First, make sure that you're connected to a strong internet, whether it can be your Wi-Fi or your cellular data. Once you are, tap open your app store. Soon after you do that, tap on the search button located at the lower right-hand corner, which will open up the search box at the top. Type in Coinbase wallet in the search box and make your search. You'll be able to find the application displayed on the search result. This one's the app that we are looking for. If you want to view further information about the app, you can go ahead and go through this page over here. All of the information that you need about the application will be displayed. If you'd like to quickly download the application on your smartphone, tap on the download button in order to begin the downloading process. Coinbase wallet is a safe custody crypto wallet which puts you in control of your crypto keys and data. You can safely store your crypto and rare NFTs in the wallet. The downloading process might take a while, which entirely depends upon your internet speed, so always be sure to have a strong connection while downloading any kind of an application. Wait until the download is done. Once it is done with the downloads and your application is ready for use, you'll be able to see the open button popping up right beneath the app. Simply go to your app drawer and you should see the wallet application displayed. Tap it on in order to launch the app open. That is how you should be able to download Coinbase wallet application on your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.